Hi, in today's video, we are going to look at how to save time with Recycle Bin. There is a Recycle Bin in Zoho CRM. The Recycle Bin displays the list of records that have been deleted accidentally or intentionally by users in Zoho CRM. These records are displayed for 60 days from the date of deletion, after which these are permanently deleted. Only the users with admin profile access can restore Recycle Bin data. So if you go into Setup, the Recycle Bin should be found under Data Administration. So this is the Recycle Bin. So it could happen when companies are dealing with large amount of data and busy businesses and big businesses. It's likely that sometimes, rather than being intentionally, sometimes data is deleted by accident, and you can get that data back from the Recycle Bin. So if I delete these records from the CRM, action delete, and if I head back into the Recycle Bin, these are the records that I have just deleted. You can see all the records. I'd only deleted 3 records, but anything that was associated with those records, like tasks and notes, those were deleted as well. So all I can do is I can restore it. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Or if you have any Zoho-based challenges, please contact us on support@goldstar.it.com.